In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export content from Notion. If you are looking to back up your workspace, move information to another tool, or simply keep a local copy of your notes and databases, exporting is the safest and most reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through where to find the export controls, how to choose the right format, and what to expect once the export starts. First, open Notion and look to the left sidebar. Find Settings and Members. It's typically near the bottom of the sidebar, and depending on your window size, it may appear as a gear icon. Make sure you are in the correct workspace before you continue. Especially if you switch between personal and team workspaces. Inside Settings and Members, select the Settings tab under the Workspace section. You might see other tabs like Members, Plans, or Billing. But we're focusing on Settings because that's where the export tools live. Scroll down until you see Export Content. Here, you'll find the option to export all workspace content. Click that. This gathers everything in the workspace into a single export. If you are part of a larger team, note that some organizations restrict who can export the entire workspace. So you may need permission from an admin. For most personal and small team spaces, you'll be able to proceed without any extra steps. Next, choose your export format. Notion offers HTML, Markdown, and PDF. HTML is great if you want a folder of clean web pages you can open in any browser. It keeps images and page structure in a way that's easy to navigate. Markdown is ideal if you plan to import your notes into other tools or a code repository. It's lightweight and portable. PDF is best for sharing read-only print-friendly versions. But it's only available on business and enterprise plans. Pick the one that matches how you intend to use your export. When you are ready, click Export. Notion will begin preparing your files in the background and will email you a download link once everything is ready. You don't need to keep the window open while it works, especially if your workspace is large. When the email arrives, open it and use the link to download your export, usually as a single compressed zip file. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and check your spam or junk folder. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to export your Notion workspace content, choose the right format, and retrieve the download link when it's ready. Thanks for watching.